Imagine spinning a globe and discovering that every country has its own special treasure, something you just can't find anywhere else. Come along with me, and let's uncover some of the most fascinating items that are truly one of a kind in their homeland. I'll take you on a whirlwind world tour to find the coolest, most unique things you can only get at the source. Ready? Let's go. When I first landed in Tokyo, everyone told me, you have to try the Matcha Kit Kats. I remember spotting them in a bright green package at a bustling convenience store, so different from anything back home. The first bite? Sweet, creamy chocolate with a gentle matcha kick. Totally unexpected and so good. Suddenly, I understood why people rave about them. The flavor is pure Japan, earthy, sweet, and a little bit magical. I even watched a local whisk matcha tea explaining how it's the real deal inside every bar. Before I knew it, I was stuffing boxes into my suitcase, just like everyone else. Trust me, one taste and you'll want to bring some home too. Japan's matcha Kit Kats, my favorite edible souvenir. Picture this. You're wandering through the rolling green hills of Modena, Italy. The air is fresh, and the sun glows over endless vineyards. You step into a bustling market, where the scent of ripe tomatoes and aged cheese fills the air. But one aroma stands out. Sweet, tangy balsamic vinegar. In a quiet cellar, barrels of balsamic rest in the cool darkness, aging for years, sometimes decades, until they're just right. A drop lands on fresh bread, thick, glossy, and bursting with flavor. It's sweet, tangy, and utterly magical. Even a simple salad becomes a feast, transformed by this liquid gold from Modena. If you've only tasted the supermarket kind, you haven't truly experienced balsamic. The real thing is unforgettable. So if you ever find yourself in Modena, don't miss the chance to taste the real flavor, straight from the source. When I first visited Mexico, everyone told me I had to try mole sauce. I had no idea what to expect. Turns out mole isn't just one sauce. It's a whole world of flavors, colors, and family traditions. Imagine slow-roasted chilies, toasted spices, and yes, rich chocolate, all blended into something magical. The first bite? Sweet, spicy, a little smoky, totally unforgettable. Mole is perfect with chicken, or poured over enchiladas. Every family has their own secret recipe. If you ever get the chance, don't miss out. Mole sauce is Mexico on a plate. Our next stop is India, where the air is filled with the aroma of masala chai. More than just tea, it's a way of life. Picture a steaming cup, brewed with cardamom, ginger, and sweet milk. Each sip warming your hands and your heart. Chai wallas serve it on every corner, pouring with a flourish as friends gather and laughter fills the air. As our journey ends, remember, every country has its own hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Next time you travel, wander through the markets, taste something new, and connect with the locals. I'd love to hear your stories. What's the most unique product you've found on your adventures? Hit like and follow for more journeys, and let's keep exploring the world's wonders together. What's the most unique product you've ever discovered while traveling? Share your answer in the comments below.